Today is absolutely horrible out, but I've got something really, really exciting going on the Mini. We're doing a lot of Mini stuff recently. I've actually got a few bits for all the cars to do, but every single time I see a piece for the car, I look like it's just to mod this car. I love it. Right, I'm getting inside because it's not the best weather. This is a GP wing. Now, I don't know where it's from. It could have been stolen from a car. Bought it from a very strange man next to a police station in Bristol. Anyway, it's very nice. This thing is this thing's gonna look amazing on the Mini. I'm hoping that it's all gonna line up. The GP stuff recently has lined up decently well, so we're gonna find out.
It won't turn. Oh, well, I stopped it and the music one turned off.
Oh,
but
it waits till you get out and close it?
Yeah, no, I had to open the door.
Alright, let's get this wing on. It should take 2 minutes. I'm not gonna say, I'm gonna take that back. This should take...
Every time you say that, it doesn't.
It's gonna take some time.
Is that the music?
It's in the car. I need to... Did I fix it?
Yeah.
The first thing I saw, there's these two caps on the side. These just pull off, I think.
Okay, there's a snail on it.
There's a snail on it. And underneath, there's the...
Four things here.
there, and there's like, I think screws in there holding it on.
Okay.
And that's it. It comes off. So coming off is easy. I know that's easy for sure. I watched the fella do it. He was very nice. Thank you very much for your like nice 2-minute video. I like those videos. It's like 2 minutes, straight to the point.
Yeah.
Here it is. Unlike this video. 5 holes lined up with look like they line up with the 5 holes there, and the side ones where the plastic covers come off. So hopefully I'm praying. So the idea is not to keep it like this, by the way. I'm not a fan of putting like, it's like putting M parts on a non-M car, except that M cars are very rare. But anyway, we're gonna get this painted, and my idea is to use like just body filler or something on the sides where the GP is. It's just a sticker from what I can see where the GP is. So where the indents are, we'll just pull those out and fill them and then paint it. So I'm not sure if we should go for like a black wing because the current wing is black, or we should go for something that's a bit more bright, like the actual color of the car. I think that might look kind of cool. Maybe we two-tone it so the very top of it is black to match the roof and the rest is blue, and we keep the red insert is the idea, because the red, it's just a mini thing, isn't it? So it's very well wrapped.
It's very sticky. Oh, be careful with this rubber bit at the end.
Okay. I can't remember exactly how these come off. I think you pull them down. I can watch the video again, but I'm gonna brute force them. It doesn't really matter. It's plastic. Okay, I'm watching the video. It would be on camera as well, wouldn't it? Yeah. I've been trying that for a good 5 or 6 minutes. I did the other one. What do you think of your new Wang?
I love it. I think it looks so cool.
It does look. So we mucked it up initially when we first got it.
Yeah, and it was like...
And obviously sat on the other wing.
Here?
But you can clearly see I want to show people because I know other people are going to steal it. It does fit really nicely. The only thing is the holes on the side here. We need to get some better bolts, screws, whatever for those. And underneath, they all lined up perfectly.
Just fit like right on.
If it attaches to the actual body of the car, then it's probably fine. But if you're attaching it to like the bumper or stuff, the clips and stuff may be different. But what's the plan with this? Are we keeping GP?
No, we're not keeping GP.
No, because we're not. It's like putting M badge on your bit. Don't do that. I've seen there's a diesel car near us that puts it on the grill.
I've seen it.
Okay. Anyway.
So we figured out the red GP is just a sticker.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take that off, and then it's obviously gonna be the indent of the letter itself.
Yeah.
The idea is to get the outside painted the same color as the car.
I like that idea.
So that's the idea.
We're trying to
now.
decide between black.
Yeah.
Or because then you see, I thought, oh, the roof line, but then I just realized it goes to a sharp red anyway.
Yeah.
So I think, yeah, it kind of looks black on camera in some lights, but I think the nice bright blue wing
Bright blue would be really cool.
would look really cool.
When we do that, get them to like fill in where the GP letters are, so that it's just flat on the sides, and then it doesn't say GP anywhere.
Also, what are we doing about this last bit of chrome?
This I don't know.
We need to decide on a badge woman.
I don't care for the all black ones.
No,
the
they're
completely
a bit
black
funky.
ones. I don't really like them. But then that means you'd have to have this bit chrome here, and there's some that are like
you could
red,
put
but I
vinyl
don't
around
know
it.
if I like
You put
it.
vinyl around it.
I could. Maybe.
Like red vinyl.
Possibly. I don't know. If you have any ideas, suggestions, let me know.
Okay.
Tell me.
So, as I don't know if I mentioned earlier, we've got a few bits coming for this car. We've done quite a lot to it. I like doing things to this car because it's generally like, I don't know, a modern car that feels not that modern to modify. There's not many screws and it's not very difficult to do. But on the front, the whole bottom part of the bumper, I don't even know, it's not even the splitter.
I don't know what it's called.
What is it? It's the bottom piece of the bumper.
bottom,
We've got a
front of the
cap for
car.
this coming.
Yeah.
We've got an actual holy entry here because we didn't realise.
Watch this. Ready?
Show the other one. And we've also got the spats. Is that what you call it? Spats?
I think so.
I call it spats.
I think so. Yeah.
So we've got a few pieces to go.
And then we also need to do
And
the
the front
badge on
badge
the
in
front
there.
too. Which
Do we want to black this out?
I don't
Chrome
know.
it? Chrome it?
Not chrome it. No.
Carbon?
No.
I meant carbon.
I don't know what I want to do with this yet.
Okay. And then there's a whole bunch of little bits for the interior that I have seen. For one, there's a nice like flat wheel because it is a bit of an odd shape. Have you noticed it's like an alien? You know they've got the big head
Yeah.
and the small like.
Yeah.
It looks like an alien. Also, there's a screen that you can now get, and I've heard people retrofitting those, which I'm very tempted to do as well. That would be quite nice. But you're probably thinking like, why are you doing all this stuff? Why don't you just buy a GP?
Because it doesn't come in a manual.
It doesn't come in a manual. The whole point of this car to me is like it's a fun little like spunky manual in a modern vehicle. It kind of goes against the whole point of a Mini to me. It's like it's meant to feel like you're dragging something around and you're in full control of it. So that's why I just want the GP bits, and then we can tune it to be faster than a GP with a manual. I think that's a good idea.
Yeah.
But other than that, there's one final piece I really want to get for this car that I don't think we're going to get for a long time.
Oh, I know which one you mean.
The rear bumper along there. It's going to be difficult to find. It's much more aggressive. This is already more aggressive. It's the Pro JCW one than we already had. And I think it's going to stay like that for a while.
It will.
But I do want one of those eventually. And then other than that, wheels.
Yes, wheels. We're thinking of maybe some stripes too.
Oh yes, stripes.
I've had the idea. Come over here. I'll show you. I bought some and we tried to put them on ourselves and it didn't go very well. So I think I'm just going to pay somebody to do it for me.
Yeah.
But the two larger black ones here with the red like little stripe on the side.
Yeah.
And then maybe some along the side of the car here. Like here.
it does need some stripes. I've seen quite a few of them with like stripes and stuff on them, and it does suit them very, very well. Anyway, if you have any other suggestions that you would like to do to this car, I think we're in a good spot. Like, this sounds good. I don't think I would want to get a downpipe because it would be a bit too raspy hatchback sounding. But other than that, I think I want to do some like slow-mo shots of the wing. It was super easy to install. If you find one, get it. Usually they're like parts that don't make the cut, parts that have got a little bit of damage on them, so they throw them apart, throw them out or sell them and get a little bit of money from them. Highly would recommend. Then you can paint it. Whoa, I could feel the extra downforce.
Can you see that little corner of it right there?
Just a little peek.
Yep.
It's gonna look so cool. I can't wait to like find a shop with like a window that we can see.
We can see the reflection of it.
That would be very nice.
That fan just pulled out on you. That was a bit.
Yes, it did.
That was a bit silly.
Yes, it did. I'm happy though, so it's fine. He can do that all he likes. I'm very happy with this car. I love this car.
I love it too.
I never like would have. I don't know. I never would have gone
thought to get one necessarily. No. Keep going straight.
Okay. Yeah, I never would have thought to get one, except for the fact that you wanted it, and I'm very glad you made me get this color.
Good.
Because I wanted red.
He didn't want this one originally.
I wanted red.
You wanted red, and
I would still get a red if it was me.
Yeah.
This one.
No, keep going straight.
I know where I'm going.
Yeah, he wanted red originally, and we were like specking out a red one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
but this one I just kept like. We went back into the dealership and I saw this one again. I was just like, oh, I can't. How can you not get this one?
She's very special.
Go right at this one.
I am glad. I'm glad that we got.
Good. Me too.
Whoa! Look at the downforce. Woo!
It's lunchtime, so we're going to get some lunch. And this one that we're going to McDonald's.
Yes.
Yeah. This one, my car, someone like complimented the color of it when we drove through the drive-thru once. He handed me his food, our food, and he was like, I really like the color of that Mini. Yeah. He's like, I've never seen one before.
I should have got the yellow one. I wear a lot of yellow. I was recording on the internal sound. That's going to be... it's going to be good. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this video. Hopefully you'd enjoy. Send your Mini pictures
to me.
To Meadow. Show us what wheels you got. Even if it's the last generation, because it can be a decent idea.
We just need some ideas, because I'm clueless. I have no idea what I want.
And people probably be like, why have you not done anything on that? It's going to take some time. Got some cool stuff coming forward for a bunch of the cars. But thanks so much for watching this video. Be sure to smash like, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.